Workers' compensation. If you've been injured in the course of your employment, irregardless as to whether or not it's your fault, you would be eligible to collect workers' compensation if you're going to be out for more than just a few days. The insurance company has to pay for several things if you've been injured in the course of your employment. Again, it can be your fault or no one's fault or your employer's fault, and you're still going to be eligible for workers' compensation based on workers' compensation statutes. First, the insurance company has to pay for all reasonably related medical bills. Physical therapy, orthopedic doctors, any type of doctor, chiropractic that you feel you need, massage therapy, they have to pay for. Secondly, they have to pay a percentage of your lost income, or a percentage of what they call your average weekly wage. Thirdly, if you have any permanent scarring or loss of function, the insurance company has to pay for that. Loss of function is if you have a body part that doesn't fully heal and there's some residual function loss. The insurance company has to give you money for that. Another thing the insurance company has to pay for if you're injured at work is for vocational rehabilitation. If you are unable to go back to your normal job because of your injury, then you are eligible to have the insurance company pay for you to be retrained to learn another profession or occupation. Sometimes we can get people money in what they call a lump sum settlement. If you are unable to go back to work at the type of work that you were doing, the insurance companies in some instances will give you a lump sum settlement. We get 20% of the fee if you've been injured in the course of your employment, and we are able to get you a lump sum settlement. We don't charge you any costs during the course of your case. Even if we have to go to court to get you on workers' compensation or to get you money for scarring or loss of function, the insurance company pays our fees. So you never have to pay a lawyer if you are injured at work. Also, if you are eligible for Social Security disability, if you're not only unable to return to your own job, but you're unable to do any type of work, and you're what they call permanently and totally disabled, you may be eligible for Social Security disability benefits in addition to workers' compensation benefits. Another thing you may be eligible for is what they call a third-party claim. That means if you are injured due to the negligence of a third party, not your employer or a co-worker, a person who does not work or is involved with your company. A perfect example would be if a truck driver is driving down the street and gets rear-ended by another truck and is injured. He obviously can collect workers' compensation, but he would also have what they call a third-party negligence claim, which also pays for pain and suffering and other things against the insurance company for that other truck driver. So if you've been injured at work and you're thinking of hiring a lawyer, please feel free to contact us or call us. We'd be happy to talk to you. And thank you for listening.